In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the no power options available message on your Windows 11 computer. So to fix this, we need to head over to our start menu and just search for CMD, and then we're going to right click on the command prompt and run this as administrator. From this window, you need to type in msdt.exe /id power diagnostic, and once you've typed in this command, hit enter. That's going to pop up with this window, click on next, and then you'll just need to go through the steps on the screen to diagnose any issues with your power plans. If there is a fix available, just click on apply this fix, and then once you've done that, we're going to head over to our start menu and search for Registry Editor and click on the Registry Editor window. From here, expand the folder HKey local machine, expand the software folder, then scroll down and expand the Microsoft folder, scroll down again and expand a folder called Windows, expand the folder current version, then come down until you see a folder called Policies and expand this. Then scroll down again until you see Explorer. Now we don't need to expand Explorer, you just need to select the folder like so. And if you have a file in here called no close, then just double click on it. If you don't have a file called no close, then right click on the white space, click on new and select dword 32-bit value. And you're just going to give this the name no close like so. Make sure to apply the capitalization after each word as well and hit enter. Once you've created this file, double click on it and make sure the value data is 0 and press OK. Now once you've done this, you can close out of this window, head over to your start menu and search for Task Manager and then click on the Task Manager window. From this list of processes, you need to find Windows Explorer. If you can't see it in the list, then just use the search box to type in Explorer, and we're going to right click on this process and select Restart. Once you've done this, that should have now fixed any power plan error messages you were getting. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.